I am Soul Separator.
And cut. That was great, Evan. How'd you do that?
Editing, Sharky. I edit a lot of videos.
Ah, that makes sense.
Okay, I'm gonna draw something. Do you wanna?
Evan, you've been quiet. What? Oh.
I want to play a game. Go to the comic realm to meet me. Should we?
Yes.
Epic comic turning scene!
Well. I've been waiting here for a long time to meet you. Ah! You can't use spells in this form. Enough! Wait a second. Oh, that's a twist. Well, I have a plot twist for you, too.
Fight!
Since when did we have a narrator? I mean, that doesn't even make any sense. Ow! Choo!
That wasn't very nice. Clever. Now one final trick. Double trouble.
Ow!
I am reborn!
What? Wait. Stop. Don't kill me. Alright, I won't.
Thank you. All of us stickmen want a refund. And you're going to give us it no matter what. There are stickmen who are going to get it no matter what. Not from this universe, though.
Hey, Evan, look what I found over here. A hat, a wand, and some sticky notes. What does that mean?
Nothing, Sharky. It means nothing.